Everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the multiple job opportunities at the Volkswagen company, and we are going to share with you the referral email address also with whom you can connect and you can apply into the company. And we would also tell you about the package of the testing digital products that we have created, which includes all the interview questions and answers that are being asked in the companies, and this has been consolidated from the real time interview questions and answers that we have got. Now, let me tell you about the various job opportunities that are available at the Volkswagen company. So, these are all the job opportunities that you can see in the screenshot. You have got the job code, requisition ID, the job title, the skills, the experience level, location. So you can see the requisition ID, the job code is available, plus the skill set. So there are multiple skills and the multiple experience level the hiring is going on. So Volkswagen company is having mass hiring today. And it's not just today, but it would be done in this particular upcoming days. So they are hiring for senior technical expert, senior architect, senior developer, then security product architect, SAP expert, then product manager, senior SAP consultant, SAP expert again. And this not just related to the SAP, but the testing opportunities are also there. So you can see test lead opportunities, right? Then the senior developer, again, the test lead, you can see test manager, you can see test manager with respect to testing, manual ETL testing, 10 to 13 years of experience, Pune, Bangalore location. Then test lead position, 5 to 8 years of experience, Pune, Bangalore location. Then again, you can see the test lead position. It is penetration testing, cybersecurity, Pune-based location, 5 to 8 years of experience. So multiple job opportunities are there for the testers. So if you are interested, you can apply for this position, but send the requisition ID, the title, the skills, experience level, and the location, all these details to this particular email address. So Volkswagen Group Digital Solutions is hiring, and Sagar is going to Yeah. So Sagar is going to assist you for the referrals. So you can, if you're interested, you can share your resume at this particular email address. What I would suggest is you can connect with him on the LinkedIn and you can share your details. If it is relevant, definitely he will come forward and he will assist you. Right. So your profile should be matching with the positions that they are looking for, with the skill set that they are looking for. So in your resume, what you have to do is you have to work on this particular skills, right? And you have to see if the opening is there in your location, like Pune, Bangalore, or Gurugram, right? So test lead, test manager kind of positions are there. It's a very good positions. You can apply for these particular positions today itself and get yourself shortlisted. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll be putting all the links and the email address in the first comment of the video. So you can get the details from there, as well as I will be putting the package link also in the comment section of the video. So you'll get all the details from there, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.